Is it third place?
Third place.
Oh my God, third place.
It's a female.
Woo!
It's one of the girls.
And it's somebody that I know very well.
Make noise for
Sakina! Sake! Sake! Sake!
Then go find her.
Sake!
Chef, go back, go put on the gold jacket.
Sake!
Chef, go put on the gold boot.
Sakina!
And Chef, go back, go tie up.
Sakina!
Come forward, Sakina.
Step forward,
Third place.
Sakina!
Hold her, Chris, hold her.
Congratulations.
Congrats. Whoa. Keep the music going. Keep the music going, Desi. You ready again?
Congratulations.
Congrats. In second place.
In second place. Jenny, you ready?
Bubble, baby, bubble.
What you say? Who this? Who this? Who this? Who this? Who this?
To the left, to the left.
In the festival.
Papa!
Papa Michigan! Papa Michigan!
Produced. Thank you, Oliver Mayer. Welcome home.
Pick up yourself, Oliver Mayer.
The winner
All right.
of the 2020 Jamaica Festival
Song competition.
Hold me through his heel.
Where you say?
No, he may have. No, not touch it.
Where you say?
Foot.
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 Yeah.
Put that bit.
Where you say? For you
Hello.
look for me.
Hello.
For you look for me.
Mr. Donovan Germain.
For you look for me.
Mr. Mark Mary.
For you look for me.
Oh.
Who am I?
2020 Festival Song
Who am
winner
I? Who am
is
I?
I am a Jamaica.
Buju Banton! Come on. Buju. Buju. I am a Jamaican. I am a Jamaican.
Jamaica walk.
Jamaican talk. I am a Jamaican.
Jamaica throw man pan the donkey cat.
I am a Jamaican.
Congratulations.
I am a Jamaican. Congratulations, Buju Banton. I am a Jamaican. So,
Hey, we say
Jamaican
thank you so much for joining
he's a
us.
Jamaican.
Congratulations to the production
Congratulations,
team.
Buju Banton. How you feeling, Buju?
Buju.
How you feeling?
No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. I know ID I man need to show, cause I am a Jamaican. Break it on, break it on, break it on, break it on. Before I go into the song, I want to congratulate the true winners tonight. Every member, everyone who participated in this competition, you are all winners. I was happy to share the stage with you all. But for me, the true winners tonight are the Sunbeam Boys Home. Yes, congratulations to Sunbeam Boys Home. You've done it. Yes, yes. No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. I know ID I man have to show, cause I am a Jamaican. Shiloh, no matter anywhere in this world, I am a Jamaican. I know ID I man have to show, cause I am a Jamaican. I am Jamaican talk, them here Jamaican talk, cause I am a Jamaican. I have Jamaican chat, them say Jamaican bop, cause I am a Jamaican. Hey, no matter anywhere in this world man go, I am a Jamaican. Say what? No ID I man have to show, cause I am a Jamaican. Take me to the bridge. Hey, beautiful smile, God-fearing people. Oh yeah, we are known across the world, yet we are so simple. So Freddie McGregor, it's not our fault. Oh, we are loving and kind. Oh, Michigan, and the person make a sugar. ID I man need to show.